This could be massive. Bitcoin got a 7% drop to the downside last week, but we are currently holding support with some very interesting signals printing right now on the chart. And depending on what happens within the next few days is going to determine whether or not I will look to short every rise or look for a potential long position to put in a new higher high. This is very interesting developments. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click that bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest and the most timely Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. So Bitcoin is currently in an uptrend. People get overly bearish a little bit too quick. But as I mentioned in my last video, as long as we are not going to lose $21,400, Bitcoin is still making higher highs and higher lows, continuing in this uptrend. Now, we did get a move to the downside last week, but as you can see, we're still holding support at a very crucial trend line. And this is basically, we have an ascending broadening wedge pattern. And these patterns are pretty neutral. Okay, they are pretty neutral, meaning there's about 50% chance it breaks to the upside, 50% chance it breaks to the downside. Some people say it's more bearish, but it's really not if you actually go and look into it. So here's the thing. If we get a move to the downside from this broadening wedge pattern, we're going to hit into a very, very key support, a bearish target of about $20,000 to $20,200. However, if we break out of this pattern bullishly, then our target is going to be around that $32,000 target. And if you've been following this channel for a long time, you know how significant that $30,000 target is because it is a major support resistance flip going all the way back to December 2020. And we've been saying for a long time, if we're able to break above that $25,000 level, that 200-week EMA, we are going to get sucked up like a vacuum into that bullish target. So we have two targets, right? We've got the bullish target and we've got the bearish target, but this is on a higher term time frame. In order to determine how we are going to trade this, we need to now go down to a lower term time frame. Okay, so let's go down to our 4-hour, and we understand that as long as we are not going to lose this green box that we have right here, there is still the potential that we are going to hold support and continue with the uptrend. Now, what would we be looking for to determine whether or not we are going to continue in the uptrend or not? Because it doesn't matter. Anyone can come on here and say, well, it could go up or it could go down, right? But our job is to understand what are we looking for specifically so that we can take action and take advantage of the volatility, right? This is how we're able to give the setups in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord and say, look, if this happens, then I will look to take a short trade. That's how we're able to take these trades from the key levels because we know what we're looking for and we know what has to happen in order for us to take action. So let's make a plan together because things, as I said, are looking pretty dang juicy. And by the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord where we give the scalp trade setups, the day trades, the levels, in advance, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also, if you want to take advantage of 0% limit fees on ByBit, it's great for people who are trading on lower term time frames because those fees can eat into your profits. Check out the link in the description. If you deposit $100, you will also get 1 month free of the Crypto Fusion Trading Bot, an amazing tool that can trade for you. It's a great tool, and we're giving it away 1 month for free. So as long as we don't lose this green box down here, we are going to maintain potentially a higher term time frame bullish bias. Now, what we want to see down here are two things. We want to see a hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame and regular bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. When we come to our daily time frame, what are we seeing right now? We are seeing a hidden bullish divergence starting to print. What is a hidden bullish divergence? A hidden bullish divergence is when price is making a higher low in an uptrend and our momentum wave on market Cipher B is making a lower low. As we can see right here, that is exactly what we are seeing. The momentum wave is about ready to print a lower low as the price is making a higher low. The last time we saw this pattern print was right over here at $21,400 when we put in that bottom. And that was one of the trade setups we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord as we saw that pattern forming. Okay, we saw that the momentum wave was getting lower back here as the price was making a higher low, showing us continuation pattern. The second thing we want to see is bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. What is a bullish divergence? A bullish divergence is basically this, okay? If we take a look at our indicator, market Cipher B, when the price is getting lower, but the momentum waves are consecutively making higher lows, that is a bullish divergence. And it kind of looks like, as you can see right here, if we just draw an outline, it looks like a pair of butt cheeks that is very uneven from squatting and deadlifting with bad form, just like this woman right here. She squatted and deadlifted with bad form. She never addressed it. She ended up with a muscular imbalance where she has the left butt cheek, very juicy, full of gravy and ravioli. You could just take a needle and that cheek open and squeeze out all that gravy. And then the right cheek, very, very skinny, right? Just like that lady at the diner, that waitress. You know who I'm talking about. Her name's Dolores, and she smokes too much, and you know what I'm saying? She got the Brooklyn accent, and she's coming out. Hey, Dolores, get over here. This guy needs another cup of coffee. And she's walking out to your table, spilling the coffee everywhere, because the butt cheeks is, you know, they're uneven. It's hard to walk straight, right? That's what we want to see. The price is coming down to key support. The butt cheeks is getting less and less even. And right here, we see the tip money in the right cheek. That's what we want to be looking for. Okay, now notice something on the 4-hour time frame. What are we seeing right now? We are seeing that there is a bullish divergence already confirmed on the 4-hour time frame. And if we continue, let's say, to put in another lower low, we are primed to print another very juicy looking bullish divergence on the 4-hour, and the money flow on market Cipher B is also starting to get higher. This is actually a very, very, very bullish pattern, and we need to be keeping our eyes on this chart right now, because this could give us an opportunity to potentially long from down here and then hit our bullish target at that $30,000 level. Now, one of the ways this could happen is if we come down to put in another lower low, fake everybody out, get everybody super bearish, never actually break the uptrend, and in this time, we're going to get the bullish divergence on the 4-hour, the cheeks coming out, boom. We get to enter into a juicy long. Okay, so what is another situation that could happen with this wedge? A more, let's just say a more bearish pattern, right? Bitcoin going straight to zero. Well, in that case, the wedge, if it breaks to the downside and we actually take out the low right over here from $21,400, in that case, then we can say the trend is broken and we are going to be looking now to short every rise. Right? Because again, we can't get overly bearish to say we're not going to go into short every rise mode until we officially confirm a downtrend on a high time frame. Just like I didn't go into buy the dip mode until we officially confirmed a bull trend on a higher time frame. Right? So if we are going to now lose this low and hit our bearish target down here, yes, we can look for a long from down here because it is key support, but then we would look to short every rise. Right? And what would we look for? We would look for basically a move into like the Fibonacci golden pocket level. And then what we would look for basically is the opposite, right? We want to see upside down uneven butt cheeks. Dolores, people don't understand about her, but she's also a gymnast, right? She's hanging upside down from a tightrope over here. And so if we see her hanging upside down when we come up to key resistances, like the golden pocket Fibonacci retracement, then we can say, okay, now we're officially in a bear trend. We can enter into buy the dip mode. And we understand the 618 Fibonacci level. She will always reject us. Her name is 6Juanita, a girl I went to high school with. I had a crush on her, tried to ask her out, but I was in the friend zone, didn't realize it. The rejection happened. She gave me the hand, she gave me the face, right from that 618 fib level. Oof, the pain, the anguish. But when I realized what was happening, one of the reasons why she didn't go out with me is because one of her other hot, popular cheerleader friends was standing right next to her doing a backflip. And would you look at her glutes? Very, very bearish. And so if we come up to here and we're starting to see now bearish divergences on market Cipher B after putting in a lower low, this is a great opportunity to enter into a short trade. Of course, not financial advice. Now, if you want to learn how to trade this way, guys, check out the courses at jasoncaspertrading.com. These courses will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader. This is changing the way thousands of people approach the markets. You can check out the testimonials here. Also, we have an advanced trading course as well that goes over how to understand and read a chart like this one right here, an order flow chart. That is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. May God bless everybody. In the name of Jesus, the Messiah. Even if you're not religious, I still pray that you are very blessed in many ways. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.